In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can switch game modes here in Clash Royale so you can try out something new or play in some of these limited time events that Clash Royale does throw. Before you do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But obviously, begin by opening up Clash Royale and you're going to see a little battle button down at the very bottom. That's going to be this like yellow and goldish looking button. There's going to be a little trophy right next to it, or it might be something different for you. Essentially, go ahead and select it right to the right, and it's going to pull up the game modes tab right here, where you could scroll through and choose whatever game mode you would like. For example, there's Classic 1v1, 2v2, Grand Challenge, Mega Draft Challenge, Classic Challenge, Ranked, and Merge Tactics, as well as that standard Trophy Road. For example, I'll choose something like 2v2, and it's going to change the entire background whenever you do change your game mode to fit whatever that game mode is supposed to be. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more Clash Royale content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.